Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If you guys have been here before, then hey, welcome back. If you have not, then I'm Sheeran and I talk about all things kind of beauty and lifestyle, fashion, that sort of thing. So if you haven't been here before and you like the look of my videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video that I post. So I wanted to do a really cool haul for you guys today. Does anyone else go in there and just go in for like one thing and then come out with a bunch of random stuff? I got some home stuff, bit of makeup, bit of fashion. So let's do makeup first of all. I'm going to go for a couple of palettes first of all. The first one is the PS Chocolate Cheek palette. This one is just basically like a blusher palette, which is so cute. Look at the little hearts, they're so pretty. So you've got like a real shimmery one that you can use as a highlighter, then more of a kind of like, I think that's like a plummy sort of nudie colour. That one's way more peachy, and then this one is just like a caramel sort of colour. I'm actually using this one, which is chocolate orange at the moment, and I actually have that on my cheeks today. If you guys like the look of this makeup, then that is what is on there. Sometimes these can be like not pigmented at all. So I think Primark have really upped the stakes in the old makeup range. So I was really shocked because when I went to put it on this morning, I kind of went to put my blush on and actually put too much on because I was expecting it to be really not pigmented. So this, I'm pretty impressed with. Thumbs up you guys if you like it. From the same range, I then also got the PS Chocolate eyeshadow palette. And again, this is just a really nice kind of browns sort of palette. So nice, so beautiful. So we've got, I've got these two on today. So I've got the light brown and the darker brown. So that all over my eye, and then that just in the corners, just blended through. And I think they look really cute. So again, if you like that, then that's what that is. Then I really wanted to try these because I've heard so many people raving about them. This is the Get Lippy, and this is their gloss collection. So you can either get a gloss shine or you can get a matte finish. So I went for a gloss because I have a lot of matte lipsticks, so I thought I'd try a gloss. And this one is in peanut butter. So you get the lip liner and then you get the high shine lip gloss. So again, I was so surprised at these, and I have them on right now so you guys can see. What I did was just lined the outside of my lips and then also filled them in with the lip liner. That was amazing to go on. It didn't drag, it wasn't chalky like some of them can be. This was just incredible, really smooth and really pigmented again. And then I just popped I didn't put a lipstick over the top, I literally just put the high shine lip gloss on because that one's got so much colour on. It's not too like opaque, it's not too like, do you know what I mean, like more of a really kind of see-through gloss. This has actually got some serious kind of body to it, and again, it's a really nice gloss. It's not too sticky, it went on really nicely. You know, sometimes with cheaper glosses, you kind of have to really work at them to get the product out. Honestly, I am so impressed with these two. So again, I've like got a full face of makeup on today from Primark. The one thing that I was really upset about was that I really want to get the foundation that they've got that's like a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. So when I get my hands on that, I promise I will do a little review on that as well, but apparently it's hard to find. Next up, I went for a nail polish. I love real kind of stony sort of colours at the moment. My nails are absolutely gross at the moment, but when I actually do a close-up of this, I will do it with the actual nail polish on so you guys can see. So I'm really sorry if you can see my skanky nails at the moment, but just avoid. So again, this one is just the nail polish. It's just one coat, and it's in Moon. So apparently it just claims that you just need one coat. So I really like the consistency of this. It doesn't look like it's going to be too kind of, you know, some of them just streak quite a lot, they're quite thin. This is actually quite a thick one, so have a look in the close-up and see if you guys like it. But yeah, that one's the Moon one, which I really love. For 90p, you cannot go wrong for a nail varnish. I just love those sorts of colours for this time of year. In the UK, we're going into spring. I have them for sort of spring and autumn sort of colours. I really like that one, so that's just me anyway. Then, moving on to some skincare stuff, related stuff. So I didn't actually get any skincare, but I've been wanting some of these for so long, I cannot even tell you. These are basically silicone cleansing pads. So what these are, it's like got a little, it almost looks like a little sucker on the bag, but you put your fingers between it basically, and then it acts as a pad. So this is all like braids. It's just made out of silicone, so it's really gentle on the skin. But then when you put your cleansers in, especially if you have ones that kind of don't have like a scrub, so just your cleanser rather than exfoliator. They don't tend to really get into the skin that well, so you really have to work at them. So unless you have like a cleansing brush, these are so good. And basically what you do is put your product on and then massage it in with your fingers all over, and it gets the product really deep into the skin, really unclogs your pores, and they're just so good. So then you can obviously just wash them and reuse them, so I really love those. Okay, next, from the home range, I got a couple of random bits. So the first one is a beautiful candle, which I'm obsessed with. I've seen these for so long and I really loved them. They've got loads of different, I was going to say flavours, don't eat those, no. They've got loads of different kind of scents. So this one is the number 31 and it's Grey Pearl. So this one has pomegranate and fig as a flavouring in it. I just really liked the packaging. It's really like matte and it's just beautiful, and this one's a really deep grey, and then it's got the kind of rose goldy copper sort of little, what do you call this? Like a latch or a catch, one of those. Anyway, then inside, beautiful candle. I love that. Oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. With these, make sure you kind of, when you're not using them, just make sure you close it, because then that does hold on to the scent a lot better. But I just really like, oh god, I broke them. I didn't. I really like pomegranate and fig as flavours, and this said it burns up to 60 hours. So I will be putting that to the test in my home. And as you can see, with all around, this goes with my colour scheme, so I'm very excited about that one. Next up, I always like a bit of stationery, and I always find it really useful just to have like a notepad on me, so I either keep it in my bag or keep it in my drawer at home. And I just literally used up one of the other ones that I had from when I went away, so I wanted to get a new one, and I just got this little marble effect one that just says notes in gold, kind of leafy type writing there. It's not gold leaf, but you know what I mean, it's a little gold print. It's just so pretty, I really liked it. So it's just a notebook, very random, but it's just lined, and it's got a little gold kind of spine to it. So I just thought that was like really nice and pretty. I love marble effect. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. So I keep those on my bag and just like to be quite organised if I can. Next up, oh my gosh, this is so random, but amazing. I can't even cope. A unicorn eye mask. I love it. Dying. Basically, I sleep with an eye mask. I'm like a little princess with my eye mask and my earplugs. And so yeah, I just wanted a new one. So annoyingly, they've got the tag on the outside, so I'm gonna have to just cut that off. But then yeah, look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh. So you just got this kind of elasticated band on the back, and then you just obviously then put it over and you go to sleep. I won't put it on too much because I don't want to get my makeup all over it, because it is white, so you do have to make sure you take off all your makeup before you put this on. But it's only a couple of quid, and I just thought this was so pretty. So yeah, whoever's sleeping next to me is going to think I'm an absolute weirdo, but oh, I love it, it's so cute. If any of you guys really struggle to sleep, then I would definitely recommend things like an eye mask and earplugs. I was really inconsistent with my sleep before I tried these, and I just like things to be very really dark and quiet when I go to sleep, otherwise I literally can't sleep. So this for me is just perfect. They do take a bit of getting used to, but once you are used to them, just try not to get one that's got too much of a tight headband, because that will just obviously cause you a bit of like irritation, especially if you get like migraines or headaches or something. That will obviously be a bit annoying for you, but yeah, I love it. And then also you can wash this as well, so it's just normal machine wash at 30. So I just thought, I love it, I'm having it. Second to last thing, I really wanted one of these for ages, and my sister has one in her car, so I was like, amazing. You know, like when you charge up your phone, and especially if you've got an iPhone, the cables they give you, they always break eventually, you know, right next to the lightning bit, whatever that thing is, the lightning thing, that always breaks and it always splits through the wire and you get really frustrated. Well, I have found the answer to our prayers, kids. This bad boy is basically it's a dual USB charging cable. So you've got 2 points, obviously one for I think is an Android phone and the other one is for an iPhone. So I just thought that was really cool. But also I just thought this was amazing because it's actually like cable. So this is basically all kind of coiled up, but basically this is the USB end. If you do have an iPhone, then you just pop that one on the top of the other one. If not, then underneath is the Android one. So that's really handy. And then it is a 2 meter cable, which I really like, well, especially when you're in bed. you don't want to be like tied down to like this tiny little cable, and by that point your phone's basically run out of battery. We all have to look on social media before we go to bed, let's be serious, although we're not meant to. So a 2-metre cable is just perfect. My sister's had this for ages, and because it is cable, she just said like literally you can bend it however you want. She keeps hers in her car and props it up with her phone for like her sat nav and things like that. She was like, this is absolutely perfect. Like honestly, it doesn't split or anything. I don't know how long they last, but I'm just saying she's had hers for like a good few months. And compared to obviously the price of the iPhone ones, that one I think was like a couple of pounds. Yeah, it's like £3.50. Whereas and I've been needing one for so long because mine is literally broken to pieces. So without duct taping it back together, I just thought I just need to buy another one. And I had a look online, they're so expensive and you get them directly from Apple, so I was like, well, let's just give it a go. And then the final thing is a little bit of fashion. Now I haven't actually gone like clothes shopping in so long. I don't even remember the last time I bought something, an item of clothing, because obviously I only moved into my new flat and everything's been house. So I thought, why not, let's just buy myself something nice. And I just saw this really pretty blouse and I just loved it. So it's like army, it's kind of like khaki. And it's just really like sheer, so I might have to wear a top underneath it, otherwise I might be flashing a few people. But it's very baggy and it's just got these 3/4 arms on it. I am going to show you guys a full-length picture, well, not a full length, but you know, so you can see it properly. And then it's got this detailing down the front, which is some really pretty little gold buttons. But it's actually quite loose fitting, which I really liked. I love stuff like this, especially for the spring summer in the UK, because let's face it, it's not always super warm. So a lot of the time I wear this with like just a pair of jeans, like white jeans or something, and yeah, just love this, although I'm going to be wearing it with leggings when I put it in this video. I went for a slightly kind of probably smaller than I would do normally size, because it just looked like it was quite baggy, and also it doesn't matter about sleeve length for me because you're going to roll them up anyway. So that was my thought process there. But there you have it, you guys, and that is my little haul for you. Go and head along to Primark if you haven't been there already. Like seriously, where have you been? Because it's freaking amazing. And yeah, just wanted to show you some really cool stuff that I got for the home and also for myself. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a massive thumbs up if you have, and of course I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye! Lots of makeup. Hey, how you doing? I can't go with that.